Hello, hi, this is MGS Pawan. In this video, we'll be discussing about the probability topic. So, this will be useful for your CSR exam as well as the GATE and mainly also for KSET, those who are preparing for it for the next year. So, the thing is, if you want to watch this chapter completely, you need to send the mail and from that you will get the registration link for this course. So, uh, just will tell what are the overview of a topic that I will be covering in this section or in this series. Firstly, coming to probability. So here mainly we will see what exactly the meaning of probability, meaning that is definition you can say. Next, we will see uh, before going to probability, we will see some of the principle of counting things, like how you can count the trials or an experiment. And next, we will be seeing some of the things, example related to permutation and the combination. So when you have to take permutation and when you have to take combination. And next we will be discussing about the another topic that is uh, some of the distribution function, like here we will be distribution function. What are the topics I will be covering is first is normal distribution. Next comes the Gaussian. And before this we will be covering the one more topic that is binomial. This is the simple one, binomial distribution. Next, Poisson distribution. Again one more uh, one more function, uh, some function is there, some other function, extra function will be discussed. And again there will be one question related to this topic, that is the random walk. So this also will be covered. Next, coming to uh, we will be seeing the two types of distribution. One that will be random distribution in this type, that will be random distribution, and one more will be a continuous and random distribution. So, okay, random distribution. These are the topics we will be covering in this section, in this series, you can tell. And also I will be discussing some of the examples, previous years example, you can tell, previous years examples. And some of the tricks also I will be discussing, like how use it easily you can solve. Finally, I will be discussing this topic, how you can use the tricks while solving the problems. So to know how this series will be, let's I will start from the basic of the probability. I think you have noted down. Coming to topic 1, what is the probability? What is probability? What is meaning of probability? Okay. So the answer is it is well known that you have seen in the class 11th also. It is simply how likely something is going to happen. Like it's simply how likely the event will occur. You can tell. Okay. There is one more thing like it is the we can usually it is defined as probability of some event is equal to this is the success in trial or an experiment divided by total trial or total experiment. So this is the way the one defines the what is the probability actually it is. Suppose if I toss a coin, so what is the probability of if I tossing of a coin? Okay, tossing of a coin or throwing of a die, throwing a die. So like this, there are other example too. So this is the main things, and there is a card selection of card uh, from the deck. Okay, so these are the things which mainly we use. Uh, we will discuss this thing in the next topic. Okay, so in the next topic, I will be discussing about the uh, permutation. So, what is permutation, combination, and related to this, some example. So, these are the things I will be going to discuss in the next class. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.